Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to back up all data on Android before factory reset. So first you need to go to settings, and here if you scroll down you will find this settings, Google services, and it will open this Google services for you. You just need to click on backup and you will see this toggle to slide backup by Google, and you just need to toggle that. As in my case, Google backup is already turned on, so let's see what we can get by backing this up. We have our apps, photos and videos, SMS, call history, device settings, and Google account data. This is all you get if you back your device before factory reset. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.